Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is do to others as you would have them do to you. What's up fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. Yes honey, you know your girl had to show you them inches. But before we get into this video about this bittersweet wig, let me just go ahead and say thank you guys for subscribing. Okay fam, pause. Right there is when I knew that that wig has been worn before. Back to the program. Child, listen, this wig had me for a loop. Like, I was all over the place because I never had a 613 wig before. And when I put this thing on, it just wasn't giving what needed to be gave. Like, your girl was thinking she was going to look super fly. And yes, this is so cute and stuff like that. But no, I ended up looking like Baps from that show, from that movie. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, I was just like, what in tarnations is this? But listen, I mean, you win some and you lose some when you're trying on wigs. This is definitely in collaboration with a company. I'll leave their links down below for you guys so you can check them out if you want to. But the wig is very full on the serious side. It is very thick. You could probably take the shine out just by adding some baby powder and stuff like that. But you know me, with synthetic wigs, I'm okay with the shine because for me it feels new and I like that feeling. So I'm going to just go ahead and let y'all continue watching this.
Let me see, because this wig is giving wig. I'm not with that.
Just so y'all know what I was saying, I literally was saying that this wig is definitely giving wig, and I'm not with that. So just in case y'all was wondering what's going on, this is my honest review on this wig. Y'all gonna see.
Oh no, I'm not liking this one. This is a good Baps wig.